how to change your LinkedIn email address. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your LinkedIn app, head over to your profile photo in the top left corner, and then tap on your profile name. And once you're in your profile, you'll need to go to the settings in the top right. Now, you'll need to head over to sign in and security. Now tap on email address, and here if you have only one primary email, you need to tap on add email address. So you'll need to put in a new email address that you want to add in your LinkedIn and then enter your LinkedIn password and hit submit, and you can remove your current primary email address and make this one as your primary email. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.